tatlong puntos yung sinabi ng ICC, no? Para i-justify yung kanilang argumento na meron pa rin continuing jurisdiction yung ICC. Unang-una, sinabi ng ICC na yung pagsusuri ng prosecutor, ICC prosecutor sa Pilipinas ay nag-umpisa pa noong 2018, noong February 2018. Samantalang ang Pilipinas ay nag-withdraw, nag-deposit ng instrument of withdrawal noong March 2018, no? So pasok na nag-umpisa yung preliminary examination habang ang Pilipinas ay miyembro pa ng ICC, no? Yan yung isang rason na binigay ng ICC. Ang pangalawang rason na sinabi ng ICC, ang Pilipinas kinilala naman ang jurisdiction ng ICC kahit na nag-withdraw na tayo, no? Sinight nila yung una, humingi tayo ng postponement, no? Doon sa may investigation. So, kung hihingi ka ng postponement, nire-recognize mo na merong jurisdiction yung ICC over the country and over Philippine citizens, no? Pangalawa, sinurrender natin si former President Duterte sa ICC pursuant to an ICC warrant. So pagkilala rin yon dun sa may jurisdiction ng ICC, no? At pangatlo na rason, sinabi ng ICC na ang purpose ng ICC at yung sinasabing Rome Statute, na ito yung parang constitution ng ICC, ay para parusahan at pigilan na yung mga sobrang karumal-dumal na mga krimen, no, na ginagawa against humanity, no? And lahat ng mga countries who have agreed to be members, they actually made a commitment that they will participate in the prosecution, no, of these crimes. And itong purpose na to ay mawawalang bisa kung ang isang country ay magwi-withdraw para mag-escape, no, sa jurisdiction ng ICC, which is yung ginawa ng Pilipinas na withdraw ni former President Duterte ang Pilipinas sa ICC para hindi magkaroon ng jurisdiction over the Philippines for the crimes that were committed during his presidency, no? So nakita ng ICC na yung withdrawal was for the purpose of escaping liability under the ICC, and hindi po pwede yun. It will salungat ito dun sa may purpose ng ICC at salungat dun sa may pinirmahan ng Pilipinas that it will cooperate in prosecuting crimes that are committed during the time that the Philippines was a member of the ICC.